Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 125 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge, where we are continuing with exercises on the turn with 183 and 184.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So again, just be cautious when you're doing this that you're not kind of gripping on each of the little notes. This is very important that you allow this turn to flow in the voice. So here we have this beginning here. Oh, so you don't want to feel oh, but oh. So it really is a decoration of the line rather than I'm going to sing those notes. Okay? That's the way to think about the turn rather than like a written out rhythm, if that makes sense. It's like a flow of the air. It's a flow of the legato line instead of thinking, okay, bum da 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 dum, bum da 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 dum dum, right? It's not any kind of arrangement, whether we go slower or faster with the rhythm. It's about the flow. So if you think about that, you can kind of make these a little bit more flexible than maybe something written out, like 16th notes or even 32nd notes written out. Here is exercise 183. And here is exercise 184.